In this video, I will show you some laptops that can be used for graphic design or video editing that are on sale during Black Friday. Let me know in the comments section if you are planning to purchase a laptop during the Black Friday sales. I will not be covering the full specification of each laptop. I will put links in the description to each laptop so you can view the complete specifications. The first laptop is an HP gaming laptop. This laptop has a Core i5, a 1TB hard drive. For graphics card, the laptop has a GTX 1050 Ti with 4GB of dedicated memory. The retail price on this laptop is $830, but is being sold during Walmart's Black Friday sale for $600. The only downside is, according to the specification listed on Walmart's website, it only supports a maximum of 8GB of memory. The next laptop is an Acer Aspire 5. This laptop has a Core i5. For storage, it has a 256GB solid-state drive. A second hard drive can also be installed in this laptop. It comes with 8GB of memory that is expandable to 20GB. For graphics card, the laptop has an NVIDIA GeForce MX150 with 2GB of dedicated memory. This laptop is currently sold on Newegg for $530. The price drops to $500 starting November 20th. The next laptop is an Acer Rogue. This laptop has a Core i7. For storage, the laptop has both a 128GB solid-state drive and a 1TB mechanical hard drive. For graphics, the laptop has a GTX 1050 with 4GB of dedicated memory. This laptop is currently sold on Newegg for $999. The Newegg Black Friday sale price will be $800. The next laptop is a HP Spectre X360. This laptop has a Core i7, a 512GB solid-state drive for storage. It comes with 16GB of memory. For graphics, the system has a NVIDIA GeForce MX15 with 2GB of dedicated memory. This laptop retails for $1,599, but during the Best Buy Black Friday sale, this laptop is $1,099.99. The next laptop is an Acer Nitro 5. This laptop has a Core i5, a 1TB hard drive. It comes with 8GB of memory. For graphics card, it has a GTX 1050 with 4GB of dedicated memory. This laptop retails for $719.99, but during the Best Buy Black Friday sale, this laptop is $519.99. Next, we have another Acer Nitro 5. The difference is this one comes with a 256GB solid-state drive, and for the graphics card, it has a 1050 Ti. This laptop retails for $799.99, but during the Best Buy Black Friday sale, this laptop is $599.99. The next laptop is a Dell G3. This laptop has a Core i7. For storage, the laptop has a 1TB hard drive. For graphics, the laptop has a GTX 1050 Ti with 4GB of dedicated memory. This laptop retails for $1,999.99. During the Office Depot Office Max Black Friday sale, the laptop is $899.99. The next laptop is a Dell Xps 15. This laptop has a Core i7, a 512GB solid-state drive. The laptop comes with 16GB of memory. For graphics card, the laptop has a GTX 1050 Ti with 4GB of dedicated memory. This laptop retails for $1,699.99. But during the Dell's Black Friday sale, the price of the laptop is $1,399.99. The next laptop is a Lenovo Ideapad 330. This laptop has a Core i5, a 1TB hard drive. The laptop comes with 8GB of memory. For graphics card, the laptop has a GTX 1050 with 2GB of dedicated memory. The laptop retails for $879.99. But during the Lenovo Black Friday sale, the laptop is $599.99. HP also has their HP Omen gaming laptops on sale during Black Friday. The prices are based on the configuration you select. If you found this information helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you have not done so already, please consider subscribing to the channel for weekly Photoshop tutorials. And as always, thank you for watching.